Hello friends! Today, we're going to witness a fascinating moment with our Sulcata tortoise. In the midst of a light drizzle, this tortoise decided to take a dip in a small pool. Did you know that Sulcata tortoises often soak in water to expel a white substance called urates? Urates are the result of the uric acid excretion process in their bodies. This is very important for their health, as it helps remove excess minerals and maintain optimal kidney function. Soaking like this also helps them stay hydrated and prevents dehydration, especially in dry environments. Watch how the tortoise enjoys every drop of rain and how relaxed it is while soaking. This activity is not only crucial for its health, but also gives it a chance to clean off any dirt and parasites that might be clinging to its skin or shell. So, let's enjoy this special moment together and learn more about the unique habits of the Sulcata tortoise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more interesting videos about our beloved pets.